Cottage cheese and mustard cheesecake. This combo is flipping everywhere, right?
Cottage cheese and mustard. What?
Cheesy snacks to make the base. The kind that your mum used to
Did he just say cottage cheese and mustard cheesecake?
Bind it all together with some melted beurre. It should be like wet sand, but sand that you can actually eat.
What?
Sand. Pop it in your freezer. Now it's time for the
Just when you think this man can't get any... Oh my God. The cottage cheese. Okay.
You want to be able to put this in your mouth and say, oh yeah, that's food. I even snuck some honey.
Go ahead. Cottage cheese, mustard, all that.
You're going to start to realize at this point that it's definitely a cheesecake. Get it into your
At this point, just take your cottage cheese and your mustard, whatever this is, and put it in the toilet, because that's where it belongs.
Mustard and ketchup. That's iconic. Now slap down some pickles, crack
And look at the nasty pickles.
a big bite. It's a delicious lunchtime treat.
Oh my God, he ate it!
Once you try it.
Oh my God, he ate it.